welcome back to the PGA show. We're here with Masashi Komoda from Proto Concept.
Nice to meet you.
It's a brand that we've had in the studio for a couple of years now, but not one that I think as many people are aware of as they should be. So give us a bit of background.
It's a brand new company from Japan, and we started 4 to 5 years ago.
Yeah.
And then concept behind the Proto, when everyone said the Proto C, Proto Concept, because all the manufacturers, they make it a big bunch and then big quantities, but how about quality and quantities, right? And then the quality is going up to the quantity and then going down to the quality. So we try to provide the same quantity as what we provide to like a prototype, sample, or to other like a tour players. So they have a specific what they want, and then a prototype sample is gonna be what they want to be achieved, what they see, you know, like the same level.
Yeah.
But most of it comes out to the aftermarket, and the tolerance a little bit off, line locked off, but we try to be more accurate and then more what they want, and then just we want to provide it to aftermarket. That's a concept behind. So we use endo forging manufacturer. So it's kind of big company, but we just keep it small quantity to provide it came out to the market. Yeah.
And so for those, Endo's one of the biggest forging houses, you know, globally as far as golf is concerned, and then probably outside of golf as well. You know, Epon being also made by Endo. So, and you know, certainly for us, we've always known the Epon and the Endo products to be, from a feel point of view, just beautifully made products and great quality. So to go into lower volume to get even higher quality as well, that's really where Proto stands out. So from a, I guess you could say a tech, from actual structure point of view, there are a few things that you guys do that no one else does. So.
Yes, so like everyone else, they have a like inside the design facility, but we do. Yeah. So as of the even a small manufacturer, we have an engineer behind. So engineer, and also all the design, we are using 3D CAD.
Yep.
3D CAD design, and which is like what's the target to like go for where we want to be. So like a couple of years ago, we had an opportunity to submit the heads to Golf Digest, and then as a new company, no one knows, but they judge based on our performance. And our club was selected 3 products, and then first year. And then this year, Golf Digest, they pick our product, which called C05 TP, and which is a new one. And then, so what's a good performance on it too? And then like this is like a head sample like this, and then that's like a cutting. So inside a 2 plate, they'll be attaching this, but even like inside the head, so we have a weight distribution like this. And a milling process, forging process after the milled process. And then even this, the plate is forging process, and then we have a cutting edge like this. So how we came out, because everyone like to have a more ball speed towards the iron, and then we need to create ball speed from the face. That's why we have like this like edge. Yeah,
and that's something that you'd see on a lot of wood faces have got thicker and thinner spots.
Oh yes.
And this is really about maintaining ball speed across the face. But I think one of the things that we've always seen with them is where there is a your face in there and an extra speed from that face. The consistency of the launch and the spin is absolute across the models. And that's actually to have the loft consistency across the models, that makes the versatility of blending the right head and the right part of the set from a forgiveness, from a performance point of view, so much easier.
Yes. And then also we are good about like mixing the club, because all the club, high handicap, low handicap, so categorize it. But people want to have some help for the longer iron, and the shorter irons more accurate than what they needed to. Not distance, more accuracy, the spin and the launch iron, all right? So our concept of behind, and people can choose like a longer iron is 05, which is like a higher launch, is more spin and more distance, and then more control, and then they can choose like 03, which is this one, then so more like control, and then like more management to like accuracy. And then if they want to use our blade, and they can put in blade, you know. But if we see like this, it doesn't have big offset behind between, and then the head size is pretty similar. So they can just use to the mixed in the back, and then like easier long iron, and then more like a severe or like a control club to the like short iron.
I think one of the aspects, one of the materials that you use is, how visible that is a ceramic in there.
Ceramic, yes.
What is it about that material that...
So we had a titanium before in the blade, but we want to challenge to the next material that people never touch, people never try, and which was a ceramic. And then ceramic is definitely lighter than titanium, right? And then what we can do, if we choose a lighter material in the head, and then squeeze in like this, and we can make it more weight control, weight distribution. Because weight distribution is one of the key to how we can make performance to be easier to the feedback. Because more mass people need it to, more weight distribution people need it to, right? So this lighter material, we can insert it, and then so we can create, even the blade, we can create the ball speed, you know, like a jump on the head. And then also, this is not a hollow, so like a blade feeling and but ball speed, but we can help for a little bit, like a mass over here to just like a launching angle a little bit higher than usual blade. And then also this doesn't go towards to be the end of the heel. So this ceramic is stopping like around like middle of the face. So people hit it is more like a controllable feeling, and also the help with the ceramic of the like ball speed. Main ball speed.
So really innovative products. Great quality base materials, but I think doing things that other brands aren't doing. I think one of the aspects from a feel point of view, the consistency element, that's really where I think these products really mark themselves out. So, so grateful for your time.
Thank you so much for the having time with us.
And we look forward to seeing those new ones and giving those a hit soon.
Please. All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.